Okay, hello everyone. Let's continue with variables and the strings using Python. We have a simple rule for naming variables. Variable name can only contain uppercase or lowercase or both letters. You can use uppercase letters, lowercase letters. You can use both of them. You can use also numbers. You can use also underscores, but you can't start the variable name with a number. Like we can say first name equal Ali. It's a variable name. You can say first name, it's a variable name also. It's no problem. You can use the first underscore name, also Ali. You can use numbers, underscore, remove the underscore to be 5, name Ali. Okay, but you can't start with numbers like 2 first name equal Ali. We will get an error, an invalid syntax, because we can't start the variable name with numbers. Also, your variable name should be descriptive. For example, if we want to define the number of seconds per minute to be 60 seconds, we can write it like seconds per minute equal 60. So it's descriptive variable name, seconds per minute. Okay, and here I'm using a convention called camel case in naming my variable, because I start with small letter in seconds, then per start with a capital letter, then minute start with capital letter. So if you start with lowercase letter of the first word in your variable name, then the uppercase letter in the other words in your variable name, this will be a camel case convention. Another convention is a snake case, using small or lowercase letters and separating between words using underscore. We call this a snake case. You can use any convention you want. It's not a big problem. Okay, so let's continue with strings. Strings, as we said before, it could be a single line string, like string 1 equal hello everyone. We can print it. We get hello everyone. Okay, so we can also have a multi-line string. Multi-line string is our name of our variable equal hello everyone. My name is Ali and I'm from Egypt. And we done. In using multi-line strings, you have to use the triple double quotes at the start of your string and the triple double quotes at the end of your string. So if you try to print this variable multi-line string, it will be printed exactly as you wrote in your definition of your string. Notice here we have here a space before the first letter H, and it's also printed. So generally in Python, take care of the indentation because it's very important in Python. Okay, so another awesome things with strings is we can add two strings together or more. We call this concatenation, string concatenation. For example, we have our first name equal Mohammed, for example, and last name is Ali, for example, and the full name equal the first name plus the first name plus the last name. Take care of what is going to happen now. Okay, if you print the full name, you will get Muhammad Ali, but the first name is Muhammad and the last name is Ali, and when we add them together, when we concatenate them together, we get Muhammad Ali in one string but with no spaces. So to solve this, we have to add a space between the first name and the last name. This space is a single character. Okay, the space is a single character between two double quotes. Okay, so if we print the full name again, we will get Muhammad space Ali in one string called full name. So we call this concatenation. We call this string concatenation. One of the most important things in strings is indexing and slicing our string variables, and this is what we are going to see in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.